Are you confused, guys? Which programming language you should learn first? This is Sandeep Raj. In this video, I will tell you which programming language you should learn first to become a software developer. If you same question search on web, they provide a lot of recommendations for you. Some post recommend you learn C programming language first. Some posts recommend you learn JavaScript first. Some posts recommend you Python programming language first. Which answer is correct for you, guys? If you want to go with the web designing, then you go with the JavaScript. There is no harm to learn JavaScript. In the JavaScript, actually, if you go to the JavaScript, you learn variables, methods. Actually speaking, if you learn JavaScript, you will visualize what is happening around you. Is now actual picture is coming. If you're not sure in your life what become in future, then you should start C programming. Why? In C programming, in C सही है. In C programming, you basically you learn what is the programming languages. After that, you can learn C++. In C++, you can learn object oriented concept. Then you actually learn of programming and plus object oriented programming language. After that, you can learn Java programming. After completing the Java, you can go anywhere, as you heard that Java is everywhere. Then after learning Java programming, you can go anywhere. If in future whatever you want to do in your life, you can go. If I am not sure, guys, all are you watching this video thinking about why we should not learn Java firstly? Why are they wasting the time to learn C and C++? Actually, guys, actually speaking, it is not prerequisites to learn C and C++ first. But when you start programming language Java learning first, you face some difficulties. In this Java, you are learning the object-oriented concept plus programming language in a one way. So it is facing difficulties. To avoid these difficulties, you should learn Java programming language, C programming language first, and C++. This is the simple basic steps. If you are new in the programming, then you have to follow these steps. If you go to the any university or any colleges, the universities and college, they don't know in future what will you do. So in this first syllabus, they just C programming and C++ and Java. You have to understand the chronology. First C programming, after the C++ and Java. Just because this is the way you are inbuilt in the software career. Guys, there is a two section. Basically, I said the three sections you should learn the first programming language. Just earlier I said, if you are clear what you will do in future, then go to this requirement to the web designing, JavaScripting, whatever if you want, then go that position. If you are not sure, then if you go the following steps, C and C+ and Java. After that, if you have any confusions, any doubts, then ping me on the comment box. I will answer you, guys. Don't worry. Guys, as you know about there's a lockdown is happening in India. So this is the best time to learn anything new in your life, to achieve something. This lockdown and this crucial conditions our country, there are some plus point and some negative points. You have to follow this point. And another things, keep a stay at home and be safe, keep a stay at home and support our government, follow the instruction. Jai Hind.